cream cheese stuffed garlic bread rolls. So I was researching, because I've really been on a love of Korean food kind of bend lately. So I'm like, I wonder if there's any places around the country that serve Korean-style bagel toppings. Let me research it. Well, what I learned was that there are cream cheese stuffed, wait for it, cream cheese stuffed garlic bread rolls that are actually made in a brioche-style roll. Now, I read many recipes to try and figure out what I wanted to do. I decided I did not want to take the time to actually make the rolls. So I buy brioche rolls uncut. Don't go like get a 6-pack of like brioche hamburger rolls, because they'll already be cut across the middle. So whole brioche rolls, and you're going to make 3 cuts. See? So you get essentially 6 pie slices in the store-bought roll. Then, it's going to sound like it gets a little weird for you, but it is so delicious, it's going to freak you out. So then we have a cream cheese filling in one dish, and we're going to do the topping or the dunk for the whole stuffed roll in another dish. To the cream cheese, 1 8-ounce brick for 4 rolls, so 2 ounces of cream cheese per stuffed roll that we're making. To that, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of sugar, powdered or superfine, and about 3 tablespoons of cream. That's just to thin it out a little bit. And then kind of gently start working that together till you get it combined. You don't want to go too fast, you'll just splash it all over the counter and make a big old mess. So you mix this all together and you end up with a thinned out, slightly sweet cream cheese base. I've got one ready to go here. I just scoop it into a baggie when I'm done. And then you take the rolls and nest the baggie in there and squish about 1/4 of your filling in there. And just kind of move it around a little bit. Squish it together. Okay. Then we go to this part of the recipe. This is 1 stick of melted butter with 4 cloves of garlic. So we made garlic butter. To the garlic butter, once it cools a little bit, we're going to add 1 egg beaten. Then we whisk that together. And to this, we add a little drizzle of honey, just a touch, and a couple tablespoons of condensed milk. Now with the rest, you can make sweet coffee, like Thai-style coffee, or dulce de leche. You know, don't waste it, of course. Delicious product, but you only need 2 tablespoons in here. It's so rich. I'm going to go ahead and just drop the parsley in here. Just combine it. And I have a bucket of Parmigiano Reggiano grated cheese waiting to go. Then you take the whole roll. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees with the rack at the center. Then you dunk the entire roll in this sweet eggy mixture, and you pop it back up and sprinkle it with cheese. These are crazy, insanely delicious, wildly addictive, and super easy to make. So I'm going to get these guys in the oven. It really depends on how hot your oven rolls, you know. My oven, it took about 18 minutes. It really surprised me because I thought it would go so fast with all the sugar that's going on here. But just keep an eye on them after like 12 to 15. Just keep peeking at them. When they're super golden and the cheese is set, they're good to go. Take them out. What everybody's been waiting for. The cream cheese stuffed garlic bread rolls. Those are crazy hot. Don't do what I just did.